How to suppress negative links on the web using social media. My name is Nadernejad. I'm the director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated. We've helped people from all walks of life fix their online reputations. We're updating this video for 2024. We've done it before, but I want to add more strategies and updated tips that are in line with Google's new search engine updates, as well as how social media indexes on the web. 2 new learnings: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. These rank very well in search engines now. Search engines moving towards showing more video content because they get a lot of engagement. People love to watch videos, especially short-term videos. It's a big dopamine boost for many people. They're very popular. Start looking at those, crafting 1-minute videos about who you are and what you do. It can be a little bit nerve-wracking, but just get your phone. This is the best way to start shooting video. Make a video about whatever you do, operations management, even if you work at a dog shelter, anything. And start publishing to social networks with your first name and your last name if it's for your personal brand. Again, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. You have to rinse and repeat this process with enough time and get better at video. But within due time, I'd say probably in about a month, of publishing a few times a week, you'll start to rank in search engines. Now the rest, Facebook business pages, these still rank very well, but you need to make sure it's populated with content. Twitter, or we now call it X, also ranks very well. Another new learning is social media verification. You can now pay in the US and in Canada, and some other countries too, for Meta Verified. Google will understand if it is a verified social network. It pulls in that metric. So if you apply with your ID to get that blue check, you'll have a much better chance of ranking on the web. Of course, there's time sink involved, there's cost involved, but we give all this information away for free, and if you get started on doing that, it's really going to help. So I want you to think of those social networks, which we call internally in our company, the works: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Think about those, publish them, but remember, they are not solely going to outrank all content on the web because Google will only show a sprinkling of social media. It likes to intersperse links. So we're going to have some social media, some articles, some websites. So use our other tactics. Learn how to build websites. Build multiple websites because they rank without fail usually. And if you want a supportive community to learn how to do this yourself, we've opened up one on School where you can speak with other members who are looking to fix their online reputations, get personalized advice, take paced modules to learn exactly step-by-step how to run an online reputation management campaign, and do monthly calls. It's a judgment-free, confidential, and supportive environment. If you want us to help you with your online reputation management campaign personally, meaning our team, you can book a consultation. And if you want none of those things and you just want assistance, you can also book a consultation. We're happy to speak with you, to give you the information. This always helps our clients, makes us feel good, and we find even within 2 or 3 years, people come back to us and we build great relationships. So we're more than happy to do that. Focus on social media. Remember, it is only one tool in your toolkit in your online reputation. And with these new learnings, you can start to carve a positive first page search result. My name is Nadernejad, director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated, and thank you for watching.